Hi everyone, it's me again, and welcome back to my channel. But before we proceed to our video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more video. For today's video, let's talk about how to earn money using Vindale Research. Vindale Research is a legitimate survey and market research company that pays individuals for participating in surveys and other online tasks. While you can earn money through Vindale Research, it's important to understand that you won't get rich from it, and the earnings are typically modest. And here's how you can earn money with Vindale Research. First, complete profile surveys. After signing up, it's a good idea to complete your profile surveys. Next, participate in surveys. Vindale Research offers a variety of paid surveys on different topics. You'll receive invitations to participate in surveys via email or when you log into your account. Complete as many surveys as you can to earn money. The amount you earn per survey can vary, but it's usually a few dollars. Next, review products. Occasionally, Vindale Research may send you products to test and review. You'll earn money for providing your honest feedback on these products. Next, watch videos. Vindale Research sometimes offers paid opportunities to watch videos and provide feedback. Next, refer friends. Vindale Research has a referral program where you can earn money for referring friends and family to the platform. You'll receive a commission for each person who signs up through your referral link and completes surveys. Next, cash out. Once you've accumulated a certain amount of earnings, typically $50 or more, you can request a payout. Vindale Research offers payment options such as PayPal or paper checks. Next, be patient and consistent. Earning money through Vindale Research may take time, and the availability of surveys can vary. It's important to be patient and consistent in participating in surveys and other opportunities. Next, check for other opportunities. Occasionally, Vindale Research may offer additional earning opportunities, such as contests or special promotions. Keep an eye on your email and the Vindale Research website for updates. Next, read the terms and conditions. Before signing up and participating, make sure to read Vindale Research's terms and conditions to understand their policies regarding payments, eligibility, and other important details. It's important to approach online survey and market research sites with realistic expectations. While you can earn some extra money through Vindale Research, it should not be considered a primary source of income. Certainly, here are a few more tips for optimizing your experience with online survey sites like Vindale Research. Consider using survey aggregator websites or apps that compile survey opportunities from various platforms, including Vindale Research. This can save you time by providing a centralized location for finding surveys. Next, check for mobile compatibility. Many surveys can be completed on mobile devices. Make sure your smartphone or tablet is compatible with the survey platform, as this allows you to participate in surveys while on the go. Next, set earning goals. If you have specific financial goals in mind, set targets for how much you'd like to earn through Vindale Research. This can help you stay motivated and track your progress. Next, avoid survey fatigue. It's easy to burn out from taking too many surveys in one sitting. Pace yourself and take breaks to prevent survey fatigue. Consistency over time can be more effective than attempting to complete many surveys in a short period. Next, read reviews and forums. Before signing up for any survey site, including Vindale Research, consider researching user reviews and online forums to get an idea of other participants' experiences. This can help you make an informed decision. Remember that earning money through online surveys, including Vindale research, requires patience and consistency. While it won't replace a full-time job, it can be a convenient way to earn extra income in your spare time. Additionally, always prioritize your online safety and privacy when participating in any online activities, including surveys. So that's it, guys. Hope you learned something, but before you go, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.